Guys, this is what happened in the morning when everyone is not at home. So I cook this chili from the garden all, and the tomatoes, look at it, so beautiful. And after this I need to spray all the kitchen because the smell is stink for the belacan. Enjoy. And here I have a keropok. After this, need to clean out the mess here allemaal. So good morning. Lekker.
What's this?
This chili is yes. I'm gonna make a chili for all of this put together. Throw away the seed so it's not so spicy. You know, Indonesian people, if the food is not spicy, that is not nice. It's already get used to. This one will be go to the compost. So here, so I just use the scissors to cut it so that my hand is not so hot. I have also the garlic and onion here. Now we're gonna add the tomatoes. And that's already a lot of tomatoes, and I think this one I use for juice later. This one have chicken stock, sugar and salt. This one over here, and then the belacan or shrimp paste will be later when it's already done. Okay guys, after 5 minutes, yes, that is with the water. It's not only oil. So here the belacan. This blender, waiting for this one. I'm gonna do with the juice first. I have here grape. I'm gonna put water. Just make it simple. Don't need to be follow the recipe for this and that. Make it easy for yourself. I'm gonna blend it. This one is finished. Here. This we wash it. And we can use for chili. Blender it. So what happens if you use this first and then you do the juice? Then maybe the juice is a little bit spicy. Oh God, not so long. And then I'm using the same frying pan. And then we're gonna put it back. Look at that chili. Sweet sauce, just a little bit. Okay. So some lemon juice, if you have the fresh, will be better. So just a little bit. Look at that. Okay, this one already done. When it's cold, we're gonna transfer it into this jar, ready to put in the freezer for at least 3 months. Here is the juice, the tomatoes and grape. Just have fun and enjoy. This one I'm gonna put it in the here. Oh, this is small, little bit mess. It's still hot. Okay, see you next time. Bye. The sambal already finished, and that one is for the smell. So I think this one I put it somewhere else.